Let me show you how to make this delicious African salad. Alright, add enough palm oil into the pot. Add some clean potash water. Then stir well. Add your chopped pepper and the dry one. Add your roughly blended prawns. Then add your cooked pomo. You might want to add more prawns if you desire. I'm adding chopped onions, dry pepper, seasonings, more seasonings, then ogiri. Add utazi. Then this is the game changer, uba and abacha. Then I added a little bit of cucumber. Add extra if you need more. And stir very well. My friend tested and I had to test as well to make sure everything is well combined. It was so good that more has to be tested. After that, I added half a cube of nut seasoning. I added ring onion, cucumber and uziza, and I had to dish as well. Wow, so this is the final outcome. It tasted amazingly yummy. Let me know if you'll be trying this and help me share this video and make it to go viral. Bye bye lovelies.